Dryer Diagnostic Checklist. What to check before you repair. Before you replace any dryer parts, run this quick diagnostic checklist. It will save you time, money, and callbacks. First, check power. Electric dryers require 240 volts. A tripped breaker or one missing leg of power can cause no heat or weak heat. Next, check airflow. Blocked or crushed venting, lint buildup, or long vent runs can cause long dry times, overheating, and blown thermal fuses. Now check the heating system. Inspect the heating element, thermal fuse, high-limit thermostat, and cycling thermostat. One failed component can shut down the entire heating circuit. If the dryer will not start, check safety switches and the motor. Test the door switch, belt switch, and motor. If any safety switch is open, the dryer will not run. Last, check the controls. If all components test good, the issue is often the timer or control board. Diagnose first. Replace second. Fix it right the first time.